Let's move
Yeah.
on for next. This is our, our gig work for the future segment.
Yeah.
So this is going to be talking a little bit about investing because
7
you want your
minutes.
money to do something. You don't want it to sit there because otherwise it's just going to lose value because
Yeah.
of inflation. Your
Yeah.
dollar does not go anywhere near as it used to last
Yeah.
year, 2 years ago, 5 years ago. And then you look at, something popped up on my Facebook the other day. I was scrolling through and it showed like an ad for a house. It was like a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, or 3-bedroom, 1-bath, or something with a carport, and it was a house like $7,500
What?
for the whole thing.
Wow.
Yeah,
Buy a few.
I mean
um,
you're going back many a year, but still, it's like holy crap.
okay.
If only.
Yeah. So, with thanks to our sponsor for the next 6 weeks now, Mimo, you go to their website, please check it out. It's really, really, really great app for you to create some savings for you, do some budgeting, planning. Hey, man, we
Yeah, the
have to do
financial
this for
goal
ourselves.
aspect is so good.
Yeah. Yeah. Financial freedom. Okay. And oh, this is the other article. Okay. So,
Excellent.
some of you may or may not know, I was on Wall Street for 20 years. I'm still trade stocks and derivatives and whatever comes with it. Okay. This is not financial advice or stock advice. So please understand it. However, if you look at the history of financial markets over the last 150 years, the best instrument to invest in for the long haul has been stocks, period. More wealth has been created through the stock market. I'm not talking now jockeying and trading, day trading, all that bullshit that you will hear that people flame out overnight and then you'll never hear from them again. I'm talking about long-term investing, okay? The stocks have done considerably better than other asset classes, such as commodities, such as real estate. I'm talking over long periods of time now. So yes, last 10 years, maybe real estate may have, due to Federal Reserve pumping, helicoptering money from the skies because of the pandemic, because of many other reasons, real estate has done well, but look at inflation. You guys are all screwed. We're all paying 150, 200% more for everything, right? But in general, being part of a company or a shareholder of a company, these companies can raise prices. You can also keep pace with inflation. So my thing to you all is this. This is a simple game, okay? The way I invest, I have two different portfolios, my trading portfolio and my long-term investing portfolio. For everybody, this is a simple thing to do. You can go open an account anywhere. Webull, Coinbase, Schwab, Ameritrade, they're endless, okay? Why don't you just, guys, like put $50 a month into an ETF? ETF is called an exchange traded fund, right? And something called, that I've been doing in my life, is something called dollar cost averaging. Okay, you can move to the next screenshot. Market does not go up. See, this is a history of the market for the last 20 years, okay, or 25 years. As you guys can see, there are sharp pullbacks, but in general, the trend is up. Now, even if you bought right in the middle of that, there is a top there that the market collapsed after that. That is 1929 crash, okay? Even with that, even if you bought that, well, none of us were alive, of course. But as you guys can see, the stock market is like, 2 steps up, 1 step back, 2 steps up. So even if you bought at the top, what's going to happen is that if you do dollar cost averaging, meaning if you buy the exact same amount of dollars every month, okay, $50, $100, whatever you can put away, create a nest egg for yourself, or treat that money as a as a fund for a rainy day. This is all things that we can easily do with online investing, online trading. These are all easily done. So all I'm saying is that, if you want to create total financial freedom, it's not going to be Uber, it's not going to be Lyft, it's not going to be InDrive, it's not going to be any of that thing, okay? It's going to be you looking out for yourself. And we put up that video, Chris. You know how many people said, oh, drivers are broke, we don't have any money. Well, if you cannot spare $50 for yourself a month, you are doing something wrong. How about this? How about don't eat out junk food every day? You will easily save yourself 50 to $100 a month, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And invest and long-term and dollar cost average, and you will have a nice estimate. Look, I'm not telling you it's going to be enough for you to buy a house in Beverly Hills, but you will have funds that are compounding, earning You know, this is plus dividends. And it's growing on an average of 6 to 10% a year. And lastly, on this subject, in my world, there's a thing called rule of 72, people. Please listen to this. If your return is, let's say, 10% a year, you take 72 divided by 10 is 7.2 years. That means whatever you put in 7.2 years ago has doubled already, and it's going to double every 7.2 years. And guess what? Historical averages, including dividends on the S&P 500 or the general, in general, Dow Jones and S&P 500 or the NASDAQ, has been in general between 9 and 11% per year. So whatever you put in 7 years ago doubled. And imagine week by or month by month by month, you're investing the same amount. Market goes up, you buy. Market goes down, you buy. Market goes up, you buy. That's called dollar cost averaging. You will have a fantastic, fantastic gift box sitting in your corner. So don't ask me about individual stocks. I know some of you do. I'm not going to give advice, but this is one way I invest for long term. And please do this. This is easy. Please do it. $50 a month, man. $100 a month. Stop eating Jack in the Box or some bullshit that you guys eat and get heart attacks, because rideshare driving is unhealthy anyway. Just take the money, make a sandwich at home, save the $100, and go put it in some freaking account every month. And buy the S&P 500 spiders. SPY is the symbol. No cost, zero commissions. Just keep investing. Up, down, up, down, up, down, and you'll be fine. Every 7 years, you'll double your money. That's it. What else do you guys want? So there you go.
I think that little thing right there on the screenshots where it says, what are some high return alternatives to investing in stocks? I like that little thing there. Comics, art, trading cards, Lego, farmland, collectible wine, high-end purses, handbags, real estate, and crypto.
Yeah. Well, crypto, we may have, we cannot talk about crypto yet, but we'll talk about that. And look at this guy. Look at this.
Oh, look at this.
I can't deal with this, man. Anyway, so please, stock tip, invest in cat. Okay, no cat food, no antidepressant companies. All I'm telling you is I'm not giving advice. Please, I've been doing this. I'm 55 years old, going to be 56 in March. My long-term portfolio looks damn good, especially if you don't do with the S&P 500, which is the SPDR, which is the ETF, exchange traded fund. Create yourself a high dividend portfolio, stable stocks. I do very, very well. I mean, right now, if you can create a 4, 5, 6% dividend yielding portfolio for yourself, you're collecting the dividends, reinvest those dividends, don't take it out as cash. Look, these are simple things to do. Lastly, if you guys want to learn more about this, email me, okay? Not personal emails, but email me about ideas. What do you guys want to talk about? Do you guys want to talk about stocks? Do you guys want to talk about bonds? Do you guys want to talk about commodities? Do you guys want to talk about crypto? Whatever it is. Give me some ideas, and then every week we'll talk about one subject, and then we're trying to educate you guys for a true financial freedom, not this bullshit other things that you guys talk about. That's it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.